Hey guys, and welcome to episode number 87 of CRO Insights, meaning that I've already done 87 of these landing page transformations and breakdowns before. If you want to watch them all, head on over to YouTube. Please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when we drop these every single week. And if you enjoy them, please comment or give me a thumbs up. It really means a lot. Let's jump into this week's transformation. So just a bit of context, I'm Oliver Kenyon. I'm CEO and co-founder of ConversionWise. We're Europe's largest CRO and landing page design agency, and we've been doing this stuff non-stop for 12 years. This is a real over-the-shoulder look of a recent project that my design team worked on, how we turn more clicks into customers through conversion design. So let's break down this massive transformation. We're going to look into this product page here for one of our clients, and we start at the top with the noticeable notice bar change. Now this is a clear thing that kind of flows throughout this whole project. We've utilized bigger fonts. It's really important, guys, that you use big fonts. Don't make people zoom in. Don't use these lightweight, tiny fonts that's hard to read. Make it really easy to read on your headline and descriptions, and that's what we've done here on the notice bar. Moving down, we've used our famous trust policy bar. You're probably getting sick of hearing me say this if you watch my videos, but these bars really work. It's a little bar that sits underneath the nav, and it just has things that make you trusted as a business. Money back guarantees, social proof, etc. We've used a bit more of a lifestyle type of image, which we think just puts the product in a real life situation better. We've added that all important social proof. You'll see before the social proof was small, it was down the fold. Now we've got clear 5 stars. We've mentioned how many customers are trusting and rating this brand. We have a nice, clear visual headline that is way more descriptive than the product title they used before. Quick tip, guys, take your product titles, change them into benefit-driven headlines, you're going to convert more. We then use this secondary subheadline, which is then anchored by an all-important call to action. It's a full-width call to action. It's directional. We've got the directional cue on the end, and most importantly, it's above the fold. What we've done then is we've backed it up below with benefit-driven bullet points. We've added these clear emojis to draw visual attention to the page, and this is just going to convert way better. If you want to convert way better, head on over to ConversionWise.com. Get in touch with my team. We'd love to give you a free proposal on how we can generate more revenue per session for you and your business, and I'll see you in the next video.